Okay, today we'll be opening up this used Platinum Napa oil filter, number 47899. And I got this used Napa oil filter from a viewer whose name is Nick from Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Thanks, Nick. This oil filter was in service for 10,331 kilometers or 6,419 miles and came off of Nick's 2013 Dodge Challenger RT Classic. Yep, the one with the 5.7 liter V8 Hemi engine, which now has 61,411 kilometers or 38,159 miles. He said he was using a Redline full synthetic 5W30 oil during this period. Let's open up this Napa oil filter and see how well this filter did. So let's get started.
This is a pour. You gotta glue the silicone, be nice and tight. Get your angle here, filtration angle here.
Okay, so before we open this filter up, let's take a quick look at it. And the date code is 022520B2. This is a sticker. It's made in USA. This filter has 6 inlet holes. Looks to be a silicone drain back valve. Metal core with holes. Bypass valve down below. We got about 4 grooves there for threads. Nitro rubber gasket. Which looks pretty good. Put that to the side for now. And let's open this filter up. Okay, not much oil. Turned out good. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, we got a metal spacer. Let's put that to the side. And drain back valve. That comes off. I'll have to clean it up, take a good look at it, but it looks good. Yep, got a nice spring to it. Okay, and the filter element. Got a metal crimp seam. Metal end caps. Bypass valve right here, which just has a setting of 16 psi. It all looks nice and clean. And I'll put the number of pleats up here. Yeah, the filter media looks nice. Clean, nicely spaced pleats. And this is a full synthetic media, but I couldn't find a micron rating on this. They used to list these Napa Platinums, I think, at 21, but I don't know, it doesn't say anything on Napa's website. Yeah, this all looks nice. Got a big coil spring. And can. Look at this, all looks pretty clean in here. Yeah, it looks nice. Okay, let's get some measurements on this. Let's get the can first. .38 millimeters thick. And filter width 1.95 inches wide. Yeah, this all looks nice. Okay, so let's cut this open, squeeze it out, stretch it out, and see what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, so here's the filter all stretched out. And this Napa filter is 54.5 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness on this filter media. 0.96 millimeters thick. Pretty good thickness. It's the filtering side, back side. Now let's take a look at this under a microscope. So as you can see, it caught quite a bit of dirt. But this filter media looks really clean as far as soot and carbon go. I see a little speck right there. I'm going to try to get it with a magnet. See if it's magnetic. Nope. Nope, not magnetic. Right, let's look at the rest of the filter media. So you can see it looks really clean. Not many soot deposits. There's a little bit inside there. You can see like a little darkness, but that's not really nothing. For 6,000, almost 500 miles, I'd say Nick's engine's running pretty clean. Okay, let's look at the rest of the filter. So this Napa filter's got this metal screen backing. See, it's magnetic. It holds its shape when you bend it. A little dirty from the, it's got oil on it. Yeah, that's pretty strong stuff. The crimp seam came apart. So we got a coil spring. We got this spacer. I think these took the place of the bypass valve, base end bypass valve. And you can tell this is the side where it goes on the block. The gasket looks fine though. The silicone anti-drain back valve looks practically brand new. There's nothing wrong with this. It's held up well. Base plate, it's got 4 grooves there, so that's good. Large inlet holes. And this is all nice and sturdy. Nice holes. Nice and smooth. And you got a nice can. And I'd say, you know, looking at it, yeah, his oil is clean. His engine is running really nice. So what do you guys think about this filter? And again, I want to thank Nick for sending me this oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.